So that they receive 1 million at the,
Oh.
came from province.
Oh.
Then
Then use that to improve the building.
they use that to improve the building, the facility.
Facilities.
Ah,
Like is very bright.
Laika is very bright.
But they could have more terrible.
What is the surname of Laika? The surname?
It's a small.
Small. Laika small.
But terrible.
But terrible.
Oh.
So na di apelido nga Laika surname small but terrible.
Oh.
Oh, that's American surname but terrible.
Oh.
Oh.
They are tall but full.
The tall but pulpul.
Oh.
What a nice.
Oh. They cannot answer the simple question.
Oh, they cannot answer.
But like help them to carry on, give an answer, and they answer the question of the examiner perfect.
Why did you speak English fluent right now? Because yesterday you don't speak English. You just speak English today.
It's depend.
It's depend on your mood. Oh, what a
My-
nice. What a nice Thai. You are so very alive, kicking, and enthusiastic.
Tall but full.
Oh,
Small.
tall, but
Whatever.
pulpul.
That tall.
The tall,
Tall is full.
the tall is pulpul.
Small is terrible.
Small is but terrible.
Small but terrible.
How did you know, Tay? How did you know that the hospital received 1 million for their facility to improve their facility
Of course,
itself?
they answer perfectly. That is the one. The sabot nga kung kinsay taas o higher score.
Their conditions.
The higher score,
Mm.
got the higher score will receive the 1 million.
Oh, that's a great Tay.
Ah,
That's a great
It is not a great, but a big money.
big money.
Big money kay 1 million.
That's a small money, Tay.
It is a big because it is improved the building.
So the building, they will renovate the building worth of 1 million.
Oh.
So they are lucky, Tay, that they answer all perfectly.
Like answers perfect.
Laika answer perfectly, not the hospital, the administrator, or the CEO.
The examiner give the question to the nurses. So nobody could answer the simple question.
Nobody answered the simple questions, but
Only-
Laika answer it.
Only Laika. That's why small but terrible. Then, Laika,
May I ask you, Tay, what is your name?
where?
You, what is your name?
Bobby.
Bobby? Oh, your name is Bobby?
Oh.
I don't think so that your name is Bobby. I think Reverend Father Roberto Lagos.
No longer.
No longer?
I rebaptize.
What?
I rebaptize.
I'll baptize?
Rebaptize.
I rebaptize. So your name now is Babol?
Babay.
Bobby.
So I changed my name.
He changed his name into Bobby because
Into Bobby.
he is rebaptized. Oh. You're such a clever father, tatay.
No.
You're such a clever boy.
It is not a clever. Laika is a clever. Laika make the name or the big name.
What is the name of that hospital, Tay? What is the name of that hospital?
Our hospital.
What is the name of that hospital that received a prestigious 1 million pesos from the province?
what is our hospital here? The name?
Oh. What is the name of that hospital, Tay?
Answer that as Laika if you do not know.
So I will call Laika so that I can
Oh, that you can
tell her that you want to
so that you can answer
you want to have money.
answer right away.
So you want Laika to give you money instead of goods, or you want a commission of that 1 million that they give to Laika?